Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching our earwax removal compilation video today. So we've got two patients where we shoot from the outside as well as the inside for you today. So lots and lots for you guys to see. But this lovely gent came through the clinic feeling very, very blocked up on this one side. Had borrowed a video endoscope so you could have a little look and see what was going on. Very wisely didn't attempt to remove this himself. It's such a deep plug of wax. Very, very dry as well. So we're going to introduce a little bit of olive oil in here. Just starting to pull this wax out. Guys, if you are enjoying these videos, don't forget you can subscribe or follow to the channel depending on your social media platform of preference, obviously. But you can see it's really, really thick, deep piece of wax. We're just working this out. Got a good grip there with the standard size ulnar tube. Just turning it ever so slightly just to try and work this down. You can see it's on its way. Don't forget, guys, this is a two-parter, so there is another patient coming up in the second half of this video. Just going to wiggle this little plug out. You can see my movements there on the other shot from the outside part of the ear as well, so you can see what's going on with my hands there on the outer part. Just stuck a little bit, so we're switching up now for the Rosen inserter. Just going to pop this in. There we go. It always fascinates people when they come into clinic and actually see the size of these tools. You get a good appreciation for it there on the other video, but the tools that we use are tiny. They're little teeny things, so it looks massive on the video, but you can see it's very thin. Out comes that plug. Very thick, hard, dark piece of wax. We're going to show you that on a ruler shot in a second, but the eardrum there looking lovely and healthy, nice and clear. So this is what we removed, so just over 1/2 centimeter, just over 1/4 of an inch. Don't go anywhere, guys. There is a second patient coming up in this compilation video any second. As I said before, guys, thank you so much for watching our video today. If you do enjoy it, then consider subscribing to the channel. If you or you follow, depending on which platform you're watching it on, that would be a great help for us. That'd be absolutely fantastic. So we can see this patient now, the second patient in this compilation. Very different type of wax, very soft wax this one. It's in two little plugs which are joined together in this ear canal. Got a good grip on this first plug. Out that's coming there very easily. You can see it all getting sucked inside the tube as we start to lift this away from the ear canal. And then we've got this deeper section. So this at first glance looks a little bit harder, but as we get a grip on this with the standard size ulnar tube here, you can see we're having to lift and almost peel this from the canal wall. So just lifting very, very gently here. All that sort of dry skin peeling away from the canal wall there. We're just waiting until we get to that point where the whole thing just starts to move. Patient had a little bit of a cough then. We just hit the Arnold's reflex slightly. So we're just going to bring this plug out. There we go. Out that comes. You can see it on the screen as well on the outer part of the ear canal. Sometimes, guys, I think it's a good idea if you watch these videos twice. You get the same voiceover, but it's good to look at both sides of it, because it does give you a really good appreciation for what it's like to actually do the removal as well. All gone, looking lovely and healthy. Eardrum looking nice there as well. So this is what we removed. So 1 centimeter. Oh, what are we going to call that? Just under 1/2 inch, just over 1/4 of an inch. Dealer's choice on that one, guys. Well, thank you again so much for watching our videos today, guys. Don't forget, if you do want to see more of this type of video, let me know in the comments and I will edit some more for you. But thank you so much again. And as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. And we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.